Class 10 Resources and Development Geography Lesson 1 Meaning of resource. Everything available in our environment which can be used to satisfy our needs provided is technologically accessible, economically feasible and culturally acceptable can be called resource. Now, types of resources. It can be classified on the basis of few attributes. Number 1, on the basis of origin, biotic, abiotic, on the basis of exhaustibility, renewable resources, non-renewable resources, on the basis of ownership, individual resources, community resources, national resources, and international resources. On the basis of status of development, potential resources, developed resources, stock, and reserve. Now we'll discuss detail one by one. What is meant by biotic and abiotic resources? Abiotic resources are obtained from biosphere and have the life such as human being. Abiotic resources are those things which are composed of non-living things are called abiotic resources such as rocks, metals. And now renewable resources. Resources which can be reproduced by physical or mechanical process such as forest, solar energy, non-renewable resources. This occurs over every long geographical time. They can take several lakhs of years in their formation. Individual resources which are owned private by the individual, community owned resources, they are resources which are accessible to all the members of the community. National resources, all those resources belongs to the nation are termed as the national resources. International resources, those resources which cannot be used by any country without agreement with international institution. Potential resources that are found in region but have not been utilized. Developed resources, those which are survived and their quality and quantity have been ascertained for utilization. These are the classifications of resources. Now we discuss development of resources in next period.